Welcome to my kitchen. I am Chef Matthew. Now, I will teach you how to make grilled cheese via the microwave. First, you take 2 pieces of bread. Now, I am a hardcore chef, so I don't like 1 slice of cheese. I like 1, 2, 3 on 1 slice of bread, and 4. I'm gonna flip this now. Didn't work. 5. 6.
You should do 1 for good luck.
Pieces of bread. No, that's so bad for your cholesterol. This isn't much better. Then, don't worry, I'm a certified chef.
No CPR!
I'm a certified chef. I have to know how to do CPR. Anyway, then you put the cheese back in the refrigerator. Yes?
Cheese in the refrigerator.
Yes, cheese in the refrigerator. Now, you simply, but carefully, have to put this slice of cheese and bread on this slice of cheese and bread. You go like this, and voila, you have a cheese sandwich. But I'm not going to make a cheese sandwich. No, 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 no. You put it in the microwave and make a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, Dixie, are you okay? Maybe you should step away from the refrigerator.
How long do you put it in for?
Close the microwave. It is dark in there. But it will get light once I set the time for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Ba-ba-ba. Alright.
Engage like Mr.
And then you press start. Watch the grilled cheese as the cheese spews out from the sides, making it that much appetizing. You can just see my dog's mouth water from the hunger. But I am not sharing with you.
How do you feel about the grilled cheese?
You are one creepy girl. Oh, now look at the cheese. The cheese is slowly starting to fall from the thing. It is going to... Calm down. It's going to bubble soon. I will be right back to feed my doggy. Dixie, come on. Don't touch my grilled cheese and never pick on the door.
Oh, 30. Oh, it's so gross. Do you think this looks good?
Notice that the grilled cheese is starting to... I'm sorry.
Tell the audience.
Is starting to bubble. See? As it spews out from this side.
She wants food.
I know she wants food, but we're out of dog food because my parents are cheap and don't want to buy it. Look at the grilled cheese. Look at the grilled cheese in the microwave. The grilled cheese in the microwave with 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. No seconds remaining. And now, the finishing touches.
The masterpiece. It looks like it's peach shit.
Exactly. But we are not almost done.
6 pieces.
Almost done. Then,
Are you gonna practice knife safety? Hey.
you guys should know how to use knife safety. No. Simply cut down on the grilled cheese,
It's not funny.
despite all the thick cheese around it. You can lick the knife if you want, but be careful not to cut yourself.
But that's a butter knife.
I don't care what it is. Now, excuse me. You eat the grilled cheese! But how do you pick it up with all this stickiness around it? Very hot. But will be delicious when I eat so. Bon appetit!